everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out the new Dose of Colours Meet Your Hue foundation and concealers. So their concealers are their most recent launch, so I picked up a couple of colours, one for highlighting and one for cream contouring. So I'm really excited to finally open up this package, and I've got a few other things to show you, so let's get into it. So I'm starting by applying some of my Fenty primer. So here is the box it comes in. It says medium to full coverage foundation. You get 30ml, and it says high pigment, matte finish, buildable, lightweight and long wear. So this sounds really good. Also, it's vegan, cruelty free, talc free, paraben free, oil free and fragrance free. Okay, so I got shade 116 light medium, which I thought would match me pretty well right now. So let's open this up. So here is the foundation bottle. It's a nice frosted glass bottle. It feels really good quality. So it comes in 42 shades, and it also has a pump, which I really like. So here's the consistency. You can see it's kind of running down my hand. It's not too watery, but it's not like a thick consistency. I'm just going to start dotting this all over my face. And I'm going to start blending it out with my beauty blender. It's very pigmented, and I think it's the perfect match. I'm just going in with a little bit more, which is left over on my hand. Okay, so it does give a nice medium to full coverage finish. It doesn't look too matte on the skin. I feel like I still see a little bit of shine, so it looks really nice and healthy on the skin. But I'm just going to go and finish off my brows and my eyes, and then we'll come back and try out the concealer. So now I'm going to try the concealers. I got 10 light and 24 dark for cream contouring. So these are meant to be full coverage concealers. So let's open this up. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. It's just simple. So here's what the applicator looks like, which is just a nice big doe foot applicator. So I'm going to start off under my eyes. I love this applicator. It's just so quick and easy to use, and you get more than enough product on there, so it's really nice. So now I'm going to cream contour with the same concealer, and I got 24 dark. So I'm just going to apply this on the areas that I contour. I'm not going to apply too much because I don't know how pigmented it is. I feel like it comes off a little bit darker than it shows in the bottle. I'm going to go in and blend out my concealer with my beauty blender. So I think it's already starting to set, so I have to be quick with this. No. So here's what the concealer looks like after blending it out. I think it is pretty full coverage, and I do like the way it looks, so I'm just going to blend out the rest. And this concealer comes in 30 shades, so you get fair, light, light medium, medium tan, dark and deep, and there's 5 shades in each category. Okay, so it's definitely setting down. You want to work quickly with this. I'm so glad I didn't go for a shade darker, because I think this is dark enough as it is. So I'm just going over this with my beauty blender because it's looking a little bit patchy at the moment. I think because I let it sit for a little while, it just doesn't want to blend. Okay, so here's what it's looking like after blending for about 5 minutes. I really had to go in there with my brush and really try and buff it out. I even went in with a little bit more product and just applied it to try and help it blend in a bit better, but I feel like it's still looking a bit patchy. But I think it's because I let it sit for a couple minutes. Like, I think this concealer really dries quickly, so you have to work really fast with it, especially if you're going to use it for cream contouring. But they did say that you could use it for cream contouring, so I wanted to try it out. I did apply a little bit to my nose and it seemed to be fine because I blended it out straight away. I think it's just when you let it sit for a little bit, then it starts to get patchy and just like a mess. So I feel like it looks alright after blending so much, but I mean, I definitely won't do that again. So I'm just going to bake with my Huda Beauty powder. And I'm also going to use this to try and clean up this area. It's looking a little messy. So I'm going to let this sit for a minute and I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and then I'll be back. Okay, so here is how it's looking after finishing all my makeup. I feel like it looks better now that I've finished everything and blended everything out. So yeah, I'm going to show you the rest of the products that I got from Dose of Colors. I got a couple of the brushes. So I got the pencil brush, which is really tiny. It's like a nice, really small tip. And I also got this blending brush. So, you know, I love blending brushes, so that should be really good for blending. So yeah, I got those two brushes. I'll show you them up close. And I got a few of their lip products and their packaging is so nice. I love the box itself, it's really nice. And of course, their liquid lipstick packaging. I have already used this one. So the first liquid lipstick is called Truffle and this is the shade right here. So here is Truffle. I usually would use a lip liner, but I didn't get any. These smell so good. So this is Truffle on the lips. I really love this color. It's like a pinky neutral kind of nude. I don't know, I really love this shade and the formula is really nice. I've never tried the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, so I'm really loving the formula. It's pretty comfortable, it's not too drying on the lips, so I find them really easy to wear. So this next color is Coral Crush and it's a very vibrant coral color. So here's what the color looks like. It's like a really vibrant orangey red color. So I'm glad that I got this one because I can create like nice bright summery looks. So yeah, and the last one we're going to try is a lip gloss. Should I do it over the top? No, I'll do it on its own. So lastly, I got this lip gloss called Happy Hour, so I'm going to try this on. It's a nice like peachy color. Ooh, that's pretty. So here's the lip gloss. Okay, so the applicator's a little bit different. Ooh. So I love the color of this lip gloss. It's like a nice peachy pinky gloss, which I love. I think this will look really nice over the top of so many different lipsticks, especially like a peachy nude lipstick. So yeah, I'm really glad I got this one as well. And that is it. So I think I'm just going to change my lip color just so it goes with this look. I just put on a Truffle and my stripped down lip liner from MAC. So yeah, I'm going to talk about the products and what I think of them and just give you my final thoughts now. So I feel like the foundation is definitely a matte foundation. It's not like a heavy matte foundation, it's more of a soft matte. It still feels pretty light on the skin. I feel like it looks nice overall, but I do like a little bit more of a, like, not dewy, but just like a natural radiance to my skin. So I've added a little bit of highlight and I feel like that's where the glow comes from. But yeah, this foundation is nice. I am going to keep trying it out. So yeah, I don't have that much to say about it at the moment because I don't really know how it wears. But just on application, I feel like it looks really nice and it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. So I think the concealers are a nice medium to full coverage, and I think they're buildable, so you can apply a little bit more if you want a bit more coverage. These do dry down really fast, so if you do want to use these for cream contouring, make sure you're blending it as you go. Don't let it sit for a few minutes like I did, because you're going to have a really hard time blending it out. So I'm going to continue trying out these products, the foundation and the concealers, and I'll keep you updated on how they go. So the lip colors are really nice. I love the packaging. They're so pretty. They'll just look so pretty sitting on your counter or in your makeup drawers. So I hope this video was helpful and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!